cheat.
Hello.
Oh.
Say hello.
Good morning, Emily.
Morning.
Good morning, Benjamin.
What?
What we doing today?
What we are low?
Feuerwehr, look. Yeah, today Tiks brother is taking us to his work, to the fire station. Ready to go? Huh? Hop, shirt. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ ครับ Oh, barbecue. Set.
Soup.
Okay, taste. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Good night.
Good. Thank you.
Yes.
สวัสดีครับ How are you? สวัสดีครับ And the kids enjoying already. Oh, Benjamin, what's this? Huh? Whoa, where you go? Huh? Yeah, so they have some trucks here outside. Benjamin's super excited. He's really into trucks and all the stuff, as you know already. So he's enjoying. Oh, that's fast. Okay, Kopel Mark. Thank you. Early, but yeah, they starting preparing for New Year. So this is the teamwork who actually is not on duty, of course. So they doing a small party right there with barbecue. Have some drinks, and then tomorrow is another teamwork who's having the party, and they will be on duty. How's this one? Oh, that's so high, Benjamin. Oh, there's some more trucks. We'll try to look for tea. Maybe he can tell us. For example, the left one. How old is that one already? Emily, Ben. Peekaboo? Huh? Yep. Papa, come inside. Oh, Papa also never sit in a fire truck.
Hello.
Oh.
Say hello.
Nè,
Oh, Cock. Bisschen Wind.
hello.
Oh, not too much.
Ben.
Okay. Okay.
No more.
Yep.
ไม่ดังแล้วมาลงฝั่งนี้
Ben. Yeah, and then okay, here actually is then the city hall where we have been before for the ID cards. And and the fire station, yes. Be careful, Emily, huh? Oh. Yeah, couldn't. You want to get up. Oh.
ในน้ำอ่ะ
ฉีดน้ำเหรอ
ในน้ำอ่ะ
ฉีดฉีดน้ำเหรอเบน Good job, Ben. Where's the fire? Da oben? Cheat. Yeah, for water, huh, Ben? How old are the trucks around?
About
30 years old. This one here. Okay.
it's a tax. This tax about 80 years old.
Okay, the station.
Yes.
The station is 80 years old.
Yes.
Okay.
Before have first time near
Over there. Yeah, okay.
Lao Chen.
Oh, Feuerwerk.
4 years.
Good. Okay.
4 and 5 years stay.
Stay to this location.
Yeah.
Okay. The truck there on the left side. How old is that one? The car.
The car 30.
30.
30 yes.
30 years old up already. Okay. Still use it? Just decorate.
Okay. But can drive. I take care.
You can drive. Okay.
I take care. This car number 2.
Number 2 in the middle. Okay.
Can work everything work.
Okay.
Okay. And it's by about 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Okay.
For take care only one take care.
Ah, okay. You like it, huh? Big smile on your face. Feuerwehr. Guck. Oh, up. Oh. Cool. Yeah, so yeah, there are some older trucks. The one in the middle actually is still working, like T said. And then, okay, the fire station moved to this location around 4 or 5 years ago. That one looked like the newest one, like T said, around 2 years when I got this one here. Cool. Yeah, and the kids love it here. Still on top. Explaining them something very nice, cool. Yeah, actually T is doing this job for a very, very long time already. Actually, the staff can stay here too. Yeah, we have the same in German, that they provide an rest sleeping areas for them, for the staff who is on duty or on, how to say, emergency call or something. Cool. Still on top. Are you ready? Whoa! Hey, look at that old one here. And we're gonna ride a little bit through the town, little bit for the kids. What we're gonna do now? We're driving. Yeah, T will driving us a little bit. Me and the kids actually sitting outside. Sing okay, Ben? Not sure? Come here. Ready? Yay! Feuerwehr! Huh? There's a tree. Yeah, selfie time. Fertig. Hep. Come here, Ben. I help you. Come here.
ร้อนไหม
Come
บอก
here.
ให้ไปยืนข้างบน
Hep. War gut? Ein Hep. Oh, sag mal thank you, Party. Hm?
นี่ในนี้ก็ได้นี่
Hier.
ไป
Can't get enough. Huh?
ไป
Ah.
ไปโอเคบ๊ายบาย
Good? Huh? Thumbs up for Feuerwehr? Hmm? Good. So, yeah, they're showing me now here some equipment, what they also have for if they need to scuba driving or some chainsaws.
ยังไม่ได้จัดดีไง เดี๋ยว
Okay.
หลังปีใหม่เขาจะออกเคลียร์ออกอะไรจัด
Ah, okay. Get it.
อยู่ในนี้หมด ครบหมด ทุกตัวครบหมด
Okay.
อาจจะมีตีบี้เชิดที่เข้าอาคาร
Okay. 3 คน
ใช่
Okay.
ใช่เรามีกันเราต้องช่วยเหลือตัวเองอ่ะใช่ไหมล่ะเวลาเข้าไปในอาคารก็การอุบิเหตุ
Yeah. Here's then the relaxing room from them where they can chill out. And then upstairs they will have then the room for the people can stay.